Nationality gang. Welcome back to another vlog. So I know I'm looking a mess right now. I really didn't do anything to my hair or nothing like that, so disregard all of that. But I am gonna be doing a daily vlog today, and I'm just gonna be taking you guys along with me. I'm gonna be doing a few business things today. I realized that you guys don't really get to see me in that mode, in my business mode, and I kind of want to get into doing more you know, behind the scenes, letting you guys see like what I do and how I am as a businesswoman. For those of you that don't know, I do have a business called Monique Kollectionz, where I make handmade body care products, as well as lip glosses and lip care. I also sell accessories and lashes. So that's just a little backstory of Monique Kollectionz. I'll probably, you know, go more in depth about my business in another video, but this is the holiday season, y'all, so you know these orders are coming in for your girl, and I got, you know, people requesting certain scents and stuff like that. So today I am going to be making a batch of my famous strawberry shortcake body butter, and probably we'll be making a batch of lotion as well as some oils, as body oils as well. So I wanted you guys to just kind of see a little behind the scenes of what I do with Monique Kollectionz. So if you guys are interested in seeing this type of content, make sure you guys stay tuned.
is music.
Hey y'all, so I know you guys saw me, you know what I'm saying, doing my thing with my business stuff in the previous clips. So I mean, that's pretty much what I did today. I made some body butter. I actually made some body oil, and I also labeled products and stuff like that. So I just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse into what your girl be doing, some kind of behind the scenes of Mona B Kollectionz. And you know, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this side of Chocolate Barbie, okay? Because I'm not always, you know, having fun. And I mean, I'm a businesswoman too, y'all. So y'all, I'm a businesswoman. Okay, so but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out or whatever, because I want to have this video out Wednesday. Today's Tuesday. I want to have this video out tomorrow, Wednesday. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video and everything like that, just so I can have this video out for you guys. So yeah, if you guys enjoy the business side of Chocolate Barbie, you know, seeing behind the scenes and stuff like that, comment down below and let me know that you guys like it. Like I said, I do want to do more videos like this on my channel, and I hope that you guys would like to see those kind of videos as well. Do not forget to like this video and also subscribe, you guys, if you guys are feeling your girl, okay? Because I am on the road to 1K subscribers, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm almost there. So I just need y'all to just click that subscribe button, help your girl out. Comment, like, you know what I'm saying, share this video, do whatever it is that y'all gotta do to run it up for your girl, okay? If y'all loyalty gang, and if you want to officially be a part of the gang, and especially if y'all been like watching your girl and have not subscribed, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button, y'all. I'm telling you, you're not gonna regret it, because 2024 it's going down, okay? 2024 is our year, it's my year, and it's going down. So I'm definitely gonna be way more consistent in 2024 as I was this year, y'all. I'm telling you, Chocolate Barbie is coming for what's mine, okay? I'm coming for what's mine. As always, you guys, I will see you guys in the next vlog, and peace and love.